What is up, guys? And in this video, I've done the unspeakable, unthinkable, and yeah, I'm gonna give you guys about 10 seconds right now, starting, and now, what have I done? And I bet you a sub that you didn't guess right. So that you've had 10 seconds, if you got this wrong, I want you to sub. Whatever you think I've done, in 3, 2, 1. Bada boosh. Okay, guys. You got it wrong. You got it completely 100% wrong. And yeah, you did. We got the iPhone. Let's come off the back first. Let's do it. That packaging and unboxing experience was way different than in YouTube videos that I've seen before. So, it's actually already coming out of the box. Ooh. And boom! There we have it. Let me fix the camera. Because the packaging doesn't mean a thing, and that's not why you guys are here. I don't know what I'll title this yet, but hopefully it's something like mystery. Ooh. Ready, guys? Swimming in tech is just taking a giant leap. That thing's big. Okay, you guys know me. Hopefully, you know me. If you're a subscriber and you're part of the family, you know me. Here's the Apple sticker and some of that stuff. Hello. Welcome to iPhone, Face ID, Control Center, Home buttons. You swipe up. It's actually easier than having a home button. 3D touch, ring, silent, volume buttons. SOS stuff that I don't need to know because I never use. You know, they don't include an adapter or a headphone jack or a fast charger, but they include a SIM card thing. So, just Apple's pick and choose right there. Apple's pick and choose. So, guys, we're gonna have to make sure and get this. Woo. Let's do it. Let's get into that phone. You guys know, anyway, like I was, oh my gosh, I could get used to this. This screen I'm in love with, automatically in love with. I love big phones. I love them. I thought it would be like weightless and kind of gargly, but this thing has weight to it. And that's stainless steel. It's like hardened. So, let's get that satisfactory sound up again. I think I can get it right here. Turn up them decibels. Ooh. So guys, make sure, hopefully at the same time I'll post a video of me checking this brand new thing out and reviewing it. So you guys are going to get to see that, and that's going to be awesome. So make sure, as soon as this video is over, as soon as that outro is over, make sure you hit that sub button.